All right, last week I actually showed you an account, a preview of the NASDAQ group, Derek's account. He made 1.7, right? He made 1,700 USD, right? And right now we have him sitting on the second day because yesterday it was actually a holiday, so we're not considering that as a trading working day. So we have 1,441 right now, uh, which is roughly 20,000, right? Last time this was 26,000 in just one day, 21,000 in just one day. And these are all the trades, as you can see right here, the price level, the time, uh, and everything all together, right? NASDAQ. So we have the rate of exchange of today. Let's see what it says. It says 21,123, right? As you can see right there. So I'm just going to remove all of this. Yeah, we have 21,000 and Sally made, I think, $537 for today. And there's one gentleman who's actually started today, Bokang. He was able to make $476, right? From an account that has uh, 900, and he deposited $950 the first day of trade. He had already made $476 in just one day. You can see all the trades, no loss, 100%. Talking about 90%. We don't even, we surpass the 90%. We make money every single day. We draw every single day. The NASDAQ group, as you can see, and I'll quickly show you the chats as well that we basically have. Let me just get Derek's account, right? I'm just going to get the chats. As you can see, the chats. You have anything on this? Let me just quickly show this. There we have it, Derek, 1.4, as you can see right there. Everything we post on the NASDAQ group on Instagram, story and Facebook, it's actually money which is being made. That 1.4 is actually this 1.4, as you can see on the trading platform, and all the trades that we executed for today in particular. So the NASDAQ group, we make money every single day. There's no day that goes to loss. Every single day. Show me one retail trader, just one, who can show you all this stuff every single day from Monday up until Friday, making money, real money, and showing you the trades. I haven't seen one as yet.